house fire changes everything in an instant. When the smoke clears, most homeowners just want life back to normal. But here's something we've learned in over 20 years of restoration work in Utah County. The rebuild after a fire isn't only about repair. It's a rare chance to make your home better than it was before. Once walls are open and the cleanup is done, upgrades that are usually expensive suddenly become simple. New wiring, better insulation for those cold Utah winters, fire-resistant materials, even a whole new kitchen or bathroom layout. The hard part, the tear out, is already finished. At Prime Restoration LLC, we handle both the cleanup and the remodeling under one roof. That means no juggling separate contractors during an already stressful time. As a family-owned IICRC certified team, we treat every home like it's our own. A fire is hard. The rebuild can still leave you with a home that fits your life better than ever.